Welcome to this 6th meeting on lambda and chemistry. In this video, we present how to write down atomic values. The atomic number, which is represented by the capital letter Z, is entered with the left subscript. Here is an example. C left subscript 6 equals C left subscript Z. The atomic mass number is represented by the capital letter A, inserted with left superscript. Here is an example. C left superscript 12 equals C left superscript A. The number of atoms is written with subscript. Here is an example. O subscript 2 equals O subscript X. The electric charge is written as an ions, i.e. it is entered with the compound exponent, or with the simple superscript, followed by the value of the electric charge with a plus or minus sign. Let us see a first example with compound exponent. O, opening power with compound exponent, 2, minus sign, close power. Here now is an example with simple superscript. O, simple superscript, open generic parenthesis, 2, minus sign, close generic parenthesis. We present two examples of a chemical symbol associated with several values. Here is the first. C left subscript 6 left superscript 12 equal C left subscript Z left superscript A. The second example follows. O left subscript 8 left superscript 16 opening power with compound exponent 2 minus sign close compound power equal O left subscript Z left superscript A opening power with compound exponent 2 minus sign close compound power.